Hello everyone. Welcome back to Online Help Guide. Today, in this video, I will be showing you how to clear recent products history on Snapchat. First, open the Snapchat app on your phone. Tap on the Bitmoji icon from the top left corner. Go to the settings of Snapchat. Now scroll down, look for the Clear Recent Products option, and tap on it. A screen will pop up. From the pop-up screen, tap on OK. And you will clear the history of your recent products on Snapchat. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful and you're able to clear your recent products history on Snapchat. If you like our video, then don't forget to hit the like button on our video and comment down if you have any question or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon to our channel.